morning students. Today we have exercise 1.5 to solve, right? Now examples of before 1.5 we have solved in our previous video. So today at BPS section Sansthan I am Ashok Kumar Kumawat. Let's solve exercise 1.5. First question is classify the following numbers as irrational or rational, right? So there are some questions, some values written, and we need to identify which are the rational numbers and which are not. So all these questions have one irrational part, like this question has root 5, this question has root 23, this question has root 7, this question has root 2, and this has pi. So if we can eliminate the irrational part, then the number become rational, and if we cannot eliminate the rational part, then the number is irrational, right? Sorry, what did I say? I repeat it again. If we can eliminate the irrational part, if we can eliminate the irrational part, then we can change this number into rational number. If we cannot eliminate the irrational part is root 7, root 5, root 23, pi, root 2. If we cannot eliminate these irrational part, then the number is irrational. The number remains irrational, right? So if we subtract root 5 from 2, it remains irrational. But in this question, this is positive value and this is negative value. So positive cancels negative, we get 3 as result, right? So 3 is the answer. Then root 7 and root 7 can be divided and cancel out. So we have 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is rational number. 1 upon root 2, we cannot eliminate this root 2, so it is an irrational number. 2 pi, 2 multiplied by an irrational number. Irrational number is pi, so it is also an irrational number, right? Now second question is simplify. There are 4 questions. I have selected 2 questions. Remaining 2 questions you try to solve by yourself. So first we need to simplify 3 plus root 3, 2 plus root 2. What you simply need to do is to multiply 2 brackets. 3 plus root 3 and 2 plus root 2. What we need to do? 3 multiply 2 plus 3 multiply root 2. Then root 3 multiplied by 2 and 3 root 3 multiplied by root 2. This is our simplification. Now we can do this, becomes 6. This is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 and root. We can write this 3 into 2 under the root. 6 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2 root 3 plus root 6 is our answer, right? Second question is three plus root 3 and 3 minus root 3. Can you identify the identity, algebraic identity, that is a plus b and a minus b becomes a square minus b square. So it is the formation, and we have to do 3 square minus root 3 square. So we have 9 minus 3, 6 is our answer, right? So these are simple, by simple multiply we can simplify such questions. Next is an important question to understand the concept, right? Okay, read out the question. Recall pi is defined as the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter. this seems to contradict the fact that pi is irrational. How will you resolve this contradiction? क्वेश्चन में क्या है, देखो यहाँ पर मैंने पाई की वैल्यू लिखी है, पाई इज 3.141592653, right? This value goes on continuing at infinite decimal point. This value never terminates, so I have written a small value, right? And this is 22/7. 22/7 upon की वैल्यू हमारे पास है 3.142857142. Now observe this, that 142 it means the next coming digits are 5 8 5 7, then again 142 8 5 7. So this is how values keeps on repeating by 22/7, right? So 22/7 is a rational number. What did I say? 22/7. Fix this fact in your mind. 22/7 is a rational number, but pi is not, right? So एक तो ये फैक्ट हुआ, दूसरा हम we will talk about this fact also, but first thing first, we need to keep this in mind that 22/7 is rational, but pi is not a rational number, right? Alright, now coming back to the question, recall pi is defined as the ratio of circumference of a circle. बात हो रही है सर्कल की, then let's draw a circle. We have this circle, right? Now if this circle can be made by bending a wire, by bending a straight wire, right? If we bend this straight wire, then we can make a circle. Now suppose this has length of 50 centimeter, right? It has a length of 50 centimeter. It means this is the joining point, so this length is 50 centimeter length, right? So circumference of circle is 50 centimeter. If we now I erase this part if it's create any confusion to you. Now what is pi is? Pi is the ratio of circumference upon diameter, right? So if we have diameter and we can calculate diameter, but I am not calculating the diameter here. You can calculate diameter by 2 pi r equals to c. C is circumference, then 2r equals to c upon 5. आप circumference में 50 में आप 3.14 पर डिवाइड कर सकते हो, otherwise you may divide 50 by 22/7, so you will get the diameter, right? R is the radius, so 2r becomes the diameter. That is the common sense here. So our question is कि सपोज करो कि मैंने डायमीटर फाइंड आउट किया x. Now x is a digit, x is a number, x is a numerical number. right? So keep this fact into mind. I am writing this x without calculating the diameter actually. So क्वेश्चन है कि ये पाई यहाँ पर रैशनल नंबर क्यों नहीं है, जबकि हमने क्या किया है, इस ये जो नंबर है इट इज इन फॉर्म ऑफ p बाई क्यू, राइट, एंड डेफिनेटली q इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0. q क्या है, x की वैल्यू है, x क्या है, डायमीटर है. So diameter is this. So this diameter cannot be a 0, right? So we have written pi in p by q form, but still pi is not a rational number. This is our contradiction. कि अगर हमने इसको p by q की फॉर्म में लिख भी दिया है तो भी इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, irrational number क्यों बोलते हैं, right? So this question is not about how we represented the pi into p by q form, but it is about how do we calculate the value of pi. मतलब ये बात नहीं है कि ये पाई को हमने लिख दिया है तो ये रैशनल हो गया, राइट? डिपेंड करता है कि हम क्या टेक्निक यूज कर रहे हैं डायमीटर की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए. चलिए इस बात पे आते हैं. हाउ कैन वी मेजर द डायमीटर? How can we measure the diameter? We will take a scale. I am going to take a scale and then I am going to measure. I will put a scale here and I will mark these values. So suppose this is our radius. So my scale has values. मेरे स्केल की जो वैल्यूज है वो 1, 2, 3 है और मेरी लिमिटेशन ये है कि यहाँ पे 1.1 ही आ सकता है. ठीक है, I have this limitation on my 5 rupees scale that it measures only 1.1. It cannot measure 1.12. It cannot measure 1.02. So when we say that pi can be rational, then it is our limitations that we cannot measure that value up to correct decimal point. ये जब हम ये कहते हैं कि पाई रेशनल वैल्यू है तो हम वो ऐसा कहते हैं कि हमारे पास क्या लिमिटेशन है उसके डायमीटर को मेजर करने की. ठीक है, अगर डायमीटर को हम मोर एक्यूरेटली मेजर करेंगे तो वो और ज़्यादा इरेशनल होता जाएगा. फिर हम और ज़्यादा कोई बड़ी टेक्निक यूज़ करेंगे डायमीटर को मेजर करने के लिए तो और ज़्यादा हमारे पास और इरेशनल वैल्यूज़ हमारे पास आती रहेगी. तो अगर मैं सिर्फ एक scale use करता हूँ, if I use only a scale then I will get value such as 10.1, 3.1, 3.5, 4.7, but I cannot get 2-digit number, 2 digit after decimal point by a scale. मुझे स्केल से पॉइंट के बाद में 2 डिजिट नहीं मिल सकते, ये मेरी लिमिटेशंस है. इसलिए मैं उस लिमिटेशंस की वजह से मैं क्या कहूँगा कि मेरे को तो पाई क्या लग रहा है, रैशनल वैल्यू लग रही है. लेकिन वो कमी क्या है, वो हमारी है बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव टेक्निक टू मेजर द डायमीटर करेक्टली. सो पाई रिमेन्स इरेशनल. ठीक है, सो इसको हम शॉर्ट में क्या लिखेंगे, वी हैव limitations to measure diameter accurately, so pi seems rational, right? This can be a short answer. Number 4 is represent root 9.3 on number line. So for this question you need to follow some steps. Keep your geometry box with yourself and follow my instructions. First we will draw a line AB. AB is 9.3 centimeter. So give this O name. AB is 9.3 centimeter long. Then extend this line by 1 centimeter and mark this point as B. Right? Now we need to find out the midpoint of this AB. What we have to do now? We need to find out midpoint of AB, and how can we do it? We will use a compass. Open compass more than half. हाफ से ज़्यादा ओपन करेंगे. हमें क्या करना है, इसका मिड पॉइंट ढूंढना है. देन वी ओपन द कंपास मोर देन हाफ एंड पुट योर कंपास ऑन पॉइंट बी. थ्रो टू आर्क्स, वन अप वन डाउन. देन फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए repeat the same procedure. Draw two arcs, one up one down, and join these intersection point, this point and this point. So this is the midpoint of AB. Now put your compass at point C. I give this point, I mark this point as C. So put your compass and draw a semicircle. Open your compass to point A and draw a semicircle. Next step, you need to draw a perpendicular on point A which intersect the semicircle on point D. This OD is 9.3. Right? We can join this line. Now extend this line to X point. Open your compass equal to OD and draw a line like this. This OD is root 9.3 centimeter. So I am repeating it again. First we need to draw AO equals to 9.3 centimeter. AO. Then we extend it by 1 centimeter and we get point B. Right? Then we need to find the midpoint of AB, that is point C. Then this is the center and we draw a semicircle which joining the point A and B. Right? After that we draw a perpendicular at O which intersects circle at D. Right? And we open the compass equal to OD and draw these dotted lines and to the number line, and we get point D. Now this OD is root 9.3. This is our fourth question. Next, rationalize the denominator. The last question of this exercise is rationalize the denominator. First question is 1 upon root 7. So there is a single value in denominator. So if there is a single value in denominator, we need to multiply and divide this value by root 7. Multiply and dividing by रूट 7. अगर एक ही वैल्यू होती है आपके क्वेश्चन में तो उसको सेम नंबर से आप डिवाइडेड मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, तो हम डिनोमिनेटर को रेशनलाइज कर सकते हैं. सो दिस बिकम्स रूट 7 and root 7 into 7 equals to 7. Right? So this is how first question is completed. Second is 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. In this question there are two values. So what we will do, we will change this sign. We will get number root 7 plus root 6. इसका साइन चेंज किया तो हमें root 7 plus root 6 मिल गया. Now divide and multiply this number by root 7 plus root 6. So dividing and multiplying by root 7 plus root 6. So what we will do, root 7 minus root 6 multiply root 7 plus root 6 upon root 7 plus root 6. This value is multiplied by 1, so it becomes root 7 plus root 6, and a minus b, a plus b becomes a square minus b square. So 7 root 7 को स्क्वायर करेंगे माइनस रूट 6 को स्क्वायर करेंगे, देन वी विल गेट रूट 7 प्लस रूट 6 अपॉन 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So root 7 plus root 6 upon 1 is the answer we get by rationalizing.